and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zafina Imani binti Ibrahim, so I will explain about introduction of groundwater. All groundwater is called groundwater or surface water. Groundwater is in both saturated and unsaturated condition in the strata and soil, and its movement is slow. Groundwater comes from rainfall and snow as a natural filling process in the hydrological cycle. The water cycle moves water to the environment, and when water falls to the ground as rain or snow, it can flow into rivers, lakes, or bays. Water will evaporate from the surface of the water and then condense, which is called condensation, which will form a cloud that can cause rain or snow. However, groundwater and surface water are interconnected. As the surface water rises above the groundwater flows to the surface and becomes surface water. Then, when the water table goes down, the surface water could refill the groundwater. The water table is the top of the groundwater, which is between saturated zone below the air surface and saturated zone above the air surface. The air schedule goes up and down according to the time of year and how much rain or snow that we get. Basically, groundwater is considered as water flowing through shallow aquifers, but in a technical sense, it also contains soil moisture, permafrost, immovable groundwater at very low permeability, and geothermal water or for mature oil. Groundwater is hypothesized to provide lubrication that may affect the movement of the net. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Groundwater process. Known as recharge and discharge, the process involved in water entering and leaving the groundwater system. Recharge takes place as surface water percolates downwards into the microscopic gaps, while discharge describes the outflow of surface aquifers of groundwater. Groundwater flows underground. If the water meets the water table, it can pass both vertically and horizontally below which the soil is saturated. The direction and velocity of groundwater flow is defined, as the diagram 1 indicates, by the different characteristics of aquifers and confining layers of subsurface rocks. Groundwater occurrence. When precipitation falls, it may, first, evaporation from the surface of the earth or from plant leaves. Second, until it enters the ocean, it will flow in watercourses of ever-increasing size or above the surface of the earth. And the last one, either at the point where it sinks or at distant point through where the surface flow has taken through the pores or crevices of the earth mantle. There are 3 types of confining bed, which is aquiclude, aquifuge, and aquitard. This picture shows different type of porosity.
Issues: groundwater decline and depletion, drying up of well, reduction of water in streams and lakes, deterioration of water quality, increased pumping costs, land subsidence. Groundwater depletion effect, lowering of the water table, water reduction in streams and lakes, subsidence from land, increased usage costs, water quality degradation.
Hello, my name is Fatima Surabinti Aswan, number metric AA190832. For conclusion, there has various causes of groundwater depletion. Among them, the frequent pumping of water from the ground. Second, does not have enough time to replenish itself. Third, agricultural need require a large amount of groundwater. And lastly, groundwater depletion can also occur naturally.